Yes, you are listening to Amalebe Video TV, and as we promised you that we will always be talking about jobs that were published on Tuesday and the Thursday. Today we will talk about jobs that were published on job in Rwanda and the Mifotra, Rwanda Civil Service portal. Here on job in Rwanda, now they have increased. There are 106 jobs that are waiting for you. We are going to scroll through very slowly by slowly for you to read. Not all jobs that we will talk about or mention, but firstly, the first job is field engineer, head of monitoring and evaluation, accountability and learning, head of commercial finalizing officer, deputy managing director, advisor to the managing director. So here there are many jobs, but we are going to scroll very slow for you to read through so that we will have to finish in not later than 13 minutes. If you wait and watch through this video until the end, we will tell you the way to apply this link to these jobs that are published. Read through very slowly as you can. The main important thing is to have a look at jobs that were published, and then later you come to know. We will tell you by the end of this video, we will tell you how to upload these jobs. And no matter which job position is there, the main important for you is to check the requirements that are needed for you to apply. Actually, global in health equity is in need of systems improvement manager, sales assistant, carbon finance manager, payment of reconciliation, transformation lead. All these jobs are on job in Rwanda. So for you, the main important thing is keeping reading through. As you scroll, try to capture the job that is related to what you studied, so that you make sure that immediately as we show you the way to apply to these posts, you will immediately go and apply. So the main important thing for you, it is to click subscription. You click on the button below, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, so that if we release any video about job, you immediately see it. You immediately get it and watch it on the time, because some people will watch this video timelessly and find that some jobs are out of the deadline to apply. So you better subscribe, click notification, and share, and click like, so that this video can reach to many people. Many people can come to know these jobs that were published. We would better see that many people have got this information, because many people are jobless. So the main important thing for them is to know that there are positions, there are job vacancies, so that they apply. We are scrolling very slow for you, but trying to advise you again. But for you, the main important thing, it is to grasp, to know which post, where exactly, and which one correlated to what you studied, so that everything can go well. Campus, electrician, if you don't click subscription and notification bell, you will always be watching these videos too late, and you find that some jobs were expired, are out of the deadline. So you better make sure that you click subscribe, you click notification bell, and make sure that you click like, you share this video to other people so that you even do networking. If you don't share to other people, you miss something. If you sharing to other people, they will also share you the same important information for job or for anything else that they know that you are interested in. And as we said, we are very quickly scrolling, and for you to know which posts, which positions, which job vacancies are available, and try to note it somewhere. As we said, now we have finished jobs on Rwanda, jobs in Rwanda website. Now we are going to look at jobs on Mifotra. As quick as possible, let us jump there and have a look at them. Now there are very few jobs, six jobs advertisements. Actually, we will read through them. It is physiotherapist at Sashika, they need 3. Medical officer, they need 1 at Sashika. Occupational therapy A0, they need 1. Prosthetic authentic A1. Accountant, site technicians. So these are only jobs that are very pleasant here. As you can see that this job is remaining hours. Site technician is remaining with 7 hours. And then accountant, 2 posts at Meteo, only less than 24 hours. No, it's 1 day and 7 hours. So as we said, that the main important thing for everybody watching our videos, it is to do subscribe. Click subscribe, click notification bell, like and share these videos so that as well as we upload any video about job, you will immediately get it. And for information, we create these videos because we know that many people are interested in watching videos. So the most important thing that can immediately come to your device is a video. If you subscribe to our channel, we will be uploading videos about jobs on Tuesday and Thursday. So we will go through any other websites publishing jobs so that you immediately know which jobs that are available on those websites. Today we have talked about now jobs in Rwanda website, jobs on Mifotra. So for you, if you have subscribed, you are right, you have got this video. We thank you very much because we are together, and we would like to ask you whether, or we want you to share this video to other people so that they can watch, so that they can come to know which posts that are available, and make sure that they can apply on time. And lastly, before we reach our time, because this video has not go beyond 13 minutes, we would like to advise you about 3 important things. Firstly, create username and accounts. Yes, have accounts to job websites, so that if you come to know that any job is on a certain website, you immediately apply. Have job on Mifotra. It's very easy. Create an account so that you get the job. If you publish some jobs for you, make sure that you have access to Mifotra. You enter in, you apply. So first thing, it is to open accounts on websites that publish jobs. Jobs are published to many websites. Make sure that you have got accounts on these websites. The second, prepare your job docs, your job documents. Here, we mean your certificates should be notified and scanned. You have to prepare your CV, soft and easy to edit. So those are job docs. The third is to prepare the exam, job exam. So you have to make sure that you have materials that will help you to revise very quickly so that you can pass job exams. And you have to revise, by the way, every day, every time. Making sure that if it comes to do psychiatric test, you pass it. Because here on Fortra, you can't apply without doing that test. That's a very important thing. Lastly, we would like to advise you to make sure that if you don't have a job, you have to do internship. Internship helps you to keep in touch with people employed and familiar with job, and even you get easy information about job, even you show your skills and capability to employer so that you can immediately get a job where you are doing internship. And it keeps you busy instead of being redundant and you find yourself you forgetting what you studied. So in last minute, the 13th, we would like to appreciate you and orient you where you can apply for these jobs. Go immediately in the comment, you will find 2 links. The Fortra link, Job in Rwanda link. You click at any link, then you go immediately to this job, then you open any post, any job vacant published, and check the requirements so that you can apply or get ready for anything else from that institution or organization. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share, click like. That's a very important thing that we want you to help us. And what we need is to share you job information on Thursday and Tuesday. Thank you for watching.